Hello. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put RAM in your computer. So I am a certified PC pro. So I have all of the qualifications to show the internet how to put this in your computer. Okay. So right here I got a real system that I'm going to be giving to my sister. And I just thought there weren't enough tutorials on the internet of how to install your RAM. And by far, RAM is the hardest thing to put in your computer. It's really difficult. Not a lot of people can get a grasp on that. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so if you by the way, it's a very bad idea. There's a static electricity all around here. Static electricity will destroy your parts, so that's not good. So anyway, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the RAM. Okay, see that notch? You want to have that aligned with the notch in your slot. It was dusty. So I'm gonna turn around, okay, and I'm gonna push the little tabs to make sure they're open. I'm gonna put the RAM in. Okay. This is by far the most difficult part of building a computer. Especially with one hand, And then you push your RAM. There you go. And there's your RAM, okay? And then you have one more, so then it has 8 gigs. And there you go. Now, I don't know if many of you can intellectually handle how to do that, because it's pretty difficult. You just put in everything else, put in the computer really easy. That's the hardest part right there. That's the hardest part of building a computer. Okay,